So I'm always looking for the most innovative kind of like new inventive skincare or hair care. And that's why I had to try this Dyson Chitosan. This is the pre-styling cream. So Dyson recently, they're one of my favorite brands. I have their vacuum. Actually, I just have their vacuum. And I've been kind of following the brand for a while. So when I saw they had beauty care, I had to try it. So when the brand reached out and they wanted to gift me some products so I can give my honest opinion, I jumped at the chance. So this is the pre-styling cream. This is actually for curly or coily hair because I do have a bit of a curl to my hair. I have a bit of wave. So I just wanted to try it to see how this was, see if it will give me a little bit more of a curl. And obviously my hair is only wavy today. But what makes this so different, this has the kind of their triodentin technology, which is powered by Chitosan, which locks in flexible styles strand by strand. It also gives you a precise amount of product. So what it does is, one, this is a magnetic top, so it just kind of sticks on, so it's super nice. So sometimes I'll just leave this right here, so when I'm done, I can just kind of place it in to my thing. But you're gonna kind of smush it down, and you're gonna get a precise amount of product. And it has an amazing fragrance. This has a sparkling bergamot and subtle florals, with also a warming cedar and a musk enemas. So this is a nice, really super fancy hairstyle smell, but I don't find it's too overwhelming. But it's definitely a there smell. And as you can see, this kind of just laid in my hair super nicely. You don't really feel like there's much product in there, especially because you're getting that precise amount, that it's really kind of making sure that you're not overdoing it with your hair. And obviously you can pump more. And this is a refillable container. You just kind of unscrew and can refill this, which is amazing. This also has argan oil, which will help reduce frizz, and grapeseed oil, which will protect your shine. So if you're looking for new hair care, this is definitely what you need.